Being in the business for so long, 16 years now, we try to just know what are the best options for our customers. Melissa, in this case, she wanted to have a window that opens up, and we have this countertop, and as you can see, the countertop, could be delicate, and I wanted to avoid the risk of drilling through the countertop and risking cracking this. So we did our due diligence, did a little bit of research, and found this single hung window approved without requiring screws at the bottom. But this is gonna open the window so you can see how there's no screws. Funny enough is that when we requested this special order from the manufacturer, they weren't sure what I was talking about. They were like, what do you mean don't open up the holes at the bottom at the sill of the window? So I went through the product approval, through the NOA, marked it for them. I showed them this window, single hung, with the design pressure that we need. It meets the requirements without having to put screws at the bottom. They were like, oh, okay, thank you for that. And this is why we're able to do this for our customer and avoid damaging this countertop. Yeah.